Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making a video of how to make homemade seitan. And I've done other videos before if you've been following me on Instagram, and now I have a YouTube channel. But I've made homemade seitan for a while now, and today's going to be a specialty version. It's something I want to make for Halloween, so this is kind of a test version. Hopefully it'll turn out okay. So for Halloween, you know, they have Halloween colors. It's orange and purple a lot of times. So that's exactly what I'm going to try to attempt today. I have a blueberry seitan that I'm going to be making and carrots here for the orange. So for the ingredients, I have carrots, beets, onions, garlic, mushroom, jalapeno, some miso paste, and that's going to hopefully turn out into an orange color for the liquid. And for the blueberry seitan, to make the purple, I have blueberries, beets, mushrooms, jalapeno, onions, garlic, and also miso paste. And for the dry ingredients that we're going to mix, first we're going to be sauteing and blending the wet ingredients to mix and knead in with the dry ingredients. So the dry ingredients include 2 cups of vital wheat gluten, 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast, a couple tablespoons of vegan beef broth, 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and around 1/2 tablespoon of chili flakes. And both of these are identical. You can mix these up though if you want to have a different vegan broth. I've done that before too, where maybe this might be a chicken and this might be a beef, so vegan version. So what I'm going to be doing is going to be sauteing and pureeing the liquid base. This is probably going to be too much, I think, for this amount of flour, but you're going to play around with it. So I'll show you kind of like step by step. And then we're going to knead it for 10 minutes. We're going to let it rest for another 10 minutes. I'm going to roll it out, and I'm going to layer one on top of the other and roll it up. And then after it's done simmering, I can slice it up and hopefully it'll look something like a spiral. So it'll be like a combination orange and purple. So that's what I'm going to be trying to attempt today. And so let's get started. Okay everybody, so the 2 loaves of seitan are made, and you can see the colors. I got the orange and the purple, and so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be rolling out the purple first, and then I'll roll out the orange. I'm going to lay them on top of each other, and then I'll roll it up. I'll roll it up kind of to make a spiral like you would a jelly roll. And I'm going to tie them with some string, wrap it in saran wrap, and then I'm going to simmer it in some broth for an hour, maybe an hour and a half, because this seems to be a large loaf, so it might take an hour and a half. And at the end, it should be a nice orange, purple, perfect for Halloween seitan spiral. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. I have a pot of broth that's simmering at a Dutch oven. I have it with some vegan beef broth, and I have bay leaf cooking with it. It's simmering, so as I said, I'm going to have it in there for about an hour and a half. I'm going to turn it midway, about 45 minutes. I'll turn it over because it is large, and because I want it to be done all the way through. So I'll go ahead and wrap it in saran wrap. The saran wrap kind of helps it to keep its shape. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Hey everybody, so the seitan is finished. This is a test run of my Halloween seitan, the orange and purple. So I do want you to take a look at it. I think it turned out pretty good with the colors. And I put a board together. Next time I do a video, I'm going to be doing a vegan charcuterie board with some cocktails, kind of like preparing for the holiday season. But I did want you to take a look just how cute it looked. The spiral is just really cute. It's really good. All right, cheers everybody. Hope you have a great weekend.